Good morning. She sees the string. She sees the string. Oh, I gotta pee. I gotta pee. So, obviously, I didn't record anything all day. Nope. We got in the car, went to a thrift. Where we go? Oh my god. I don't even remember what we did. First I went to go take the test. I don't know if she's gonna watch it. She went to go take her written test, and then after that, we drove to the hair salon where Patty's mom and dad could get their hair done, and then the car was smoking, so they called somebody. Whatever, things happened. We had car troubles, and then Patty and I went to the thrift store. We went to go get smoothies, and then yeah. But after, when I came home, I watched a couple videos. I fell asleep for 3 hours. I was tired. But I'm gonna take a shower. I just finished. I am uploading 2 videos. Well, one right now, one's pending, another one is saving, so I'm gonna upload 3 videos. Yesterday's vlog is extremely short. I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna take a shower. So see you guys in a little bit. Took my shower. Now I'm gonna go to bed. I edited and uploaded everything. Oh my god. Well, not everything. I still have 2 more videos to put up, but I'm gonna put those up tomorrow. But for now, I'm just gonna go to bed because I'm tired. But I will see you all tomorrow. Good night. Sorry for these vlogs being so short recently. I'm really not feeling good, and I feel like this cold or sickness, whatever I have, is getting a lot worse. But I will try to make these vlogs worth watching more and more. But right now I'm just kind of behind because it's a busy weekend, you know. But thanks for watching. Good night.